Welcome back to my channel Bike Rider. Today. The Cargo 150 inches class refers broadly to 150cc motorcycles designed for utility, daily commuting, and practical use rather than high-end sport or luxury. Some online sources mention G150 Cargo as a workhorse utility motorcycle aimed at deliveries, cargo, or city commuting. Such bikes prioritize durability, ease of maintenance and reliability over high-end performance or premium accessories, typically appealing to users who want a simple, sturdy ride for daily errands, business use, or transport rather than speed or luxury features. Gear typical engine and mechanical specs based on 150cc Honda class. Using known specs from models like CG150, which are close to what Cargo 150 inches is often compared to, gives a reasonable approximation. Engine: 150cc, 4-stroke, air-cooled, SOHC single-cylinder. Power and torque: around 11.9 PS at 7,500 revolutions per minute and approximately equals 12.5 Nm torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Transmission: 5-speed constant mesh, all-forward gear pattern. Starting system: both self-start and kick-start options. Braking and wheels: often comes with combined braking system, CBS, alloy wheels, LED headlight and indicators, in newer models offering reasonable safety and convenience for city or mixed riding. Wheel: why people consider a 150cc cargo-type bike. Balance of power and economy: 150cc displacement gives more torque and speed than small 70 to 110cc bikes, making city ride, occasional highway use or longer trips more manageable, without large fuel consumption. Suitability for everyday use, work. Utility-focused bikes cargo, commuter, are typically easier to maintain, cheaper to repair and have good fuel efficiency. Good for daily commuting, delivery work, or carrying light loads. Affordability, value for money. Compared with high-end or premium bikes, 150cc cargo, commuter bikes are often priced reasonably and offer a solid compromise of performance, cost, and maintenance overhead. Simplicity and reliability: air-cooled, single-cylinder, modest power, fewer complex parts, easier servicing, and relatively robust for rough roads or heavy daily use, important in many South Asian riding environments. Warning: trade-offs and what to know. Because the class aims for practicality, these bikes are not built for high-speed, performance riding, or luxury comfort. The ride will be utilitarian, fine for commuting, cargo, errands, but not sporty. Depending on version and market, some features e.g. suspension quality, braking performance, comfort for long rides may be basic. Expect compromises compared to modern, big bikes. If you plan heavy loads or frequent long-distance travel, a higher capacity or more robust bike might serve better than a 150cc commuter cargo class. Bullseye: who the Cargo G150 or similar 150cc Honda is good for. Daily city commuters or intercity riders who want reliable, fuel-efficient transport. Small business owners or delivery riders needing a durable, easy-to-maintain bike for carrying goods or navigating busy roads. Riders upgrading from smaller 70 to